hidden beneath the vibrant urban fabrics of Singapore, are some of my favorite photo spots. From vantage points, historic architecture, to secret parks, let's take an off-the-beaten track to these photogenic hidden gems today with the Canon EOS R system. Singapore's beautiful urban landscape is best appreciated from above. The Skygarden of Skyville at Dawson offers panoramic views of the southern and western parts of the city-state. Canon's color science enables me to capture vibrant urban scenes that are pleasing to the eye. Enjoy stunning details with the EOS R5's 45 megapixel full-frame sensor. The multi-function button enables quick switch between video and photo mode with greater control. This makes hybrid shooting an easy stroll. And since you're here, also check out the Skygarden at SkyParc at Dawson too. You can enjoy the iconic view of Singapore as a city in nature. Try EOS R5's auto exposure bracketing for some creative shots too. Enjoy a touch of green at the heart of Singapore's Civic district, where Canon's color science could bring out the best of sustainable architecture. Push your footage quality to greater heights with EOS R5's 8K video capabilities. Get up and close with the street and uncover a hidden historic gem at the former Queen's Theatre. The EOS R5's various video features enable quick and smooth footage captures on the go, focusing on the architectural details that tell a story of the building's former glory. Hidden behind a flight of stairs, the Terrace Garden offers a secret getaway for nature lovers. The place has a rich history of being the former site of the Thousand Buddha Temple. The artistic landscape design and breathtaking view on the hilltop makes the garden a hidden gem that shines brightly under the morning light. The outdoor creative process was made easier by EOS R5's ergonomic features. Singapore is filled with so many other hidden gems. Why not start your own journey and make them shine with the Canon EOS R system? your delightful hybrid shooting companion.